Welcome to JH. Today, we're exploring how to resolve slow performance issues with WhatsApp Web on your Windows PC. If you've noticed that the application is taking too long to load, stay tuned as we cover several effective troubleshooting methods to boost your speed. Initially, let's examine your internet connection. It might seem basic, but a weak signal is frequently the main reason for lagging web apps. Begin by visiting speedtest.net to evaluate your current bandwidth. For a seamless WhatsApp web experience, aim for a minimum of 5 megabits per second. If your speed is lower, try rebooting your router by toggling the power off and on. You might also consider connecting to a more robust network or utilizing a mobile hotspot if available, as a stable connection makes a significant impact. Next, clearing your browser's cache and cookies is essential, as these files can often trigger delays. To do this, access your browser settings and head to the Privacy and Security section. Locate the option to clear browsing data. Regularly performing this maintenance ensures that outdated information doesn't hinder your performance. Simply press the Clear Data button to remove any stored files that might be slowing you down. We should also look at your browser extensions. While useful, some can drain resources and aren't necessary for daily messaging. Review your installed add-ons by returning to Settings and selecting the Extensions tab. Evaluate which ones are truly needed and try disabling or deleting ad blockers, VPN tools, or script blocking plugins. These often interfere with page elements and reduce overall speed. Finally, a quick workaround is using your browser's incognito or private window. This opens a clean session free from stored data or active extensions, which can noticeably accelerate your experience by removing third-party interference. By applying these techniques, you should experience a much faster WhatsApp web interface. These adjustments optimize your browser and allow your system to focus on performance. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips get your messaging back up to speed on Windows.